Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to talk about Microsoft Flight Simulator, and if you're using a controller or something to play the game and you're getting like random displays and stuff coming up, it's actually not the game as such, but it's more Windows playing up. So if you're playing it on Windows, um, and like your controller's like glitching out on you, doing weird funky things like opening up menus, showing like pushing the start button, open up the keyboard while you're trying to fly around. I got a little fix here today for you. So what you need to do is basically find your flight simulator, right click it, right click that one, go run as administrator, and that will fix your problem for you. And if this video has helped you out, give us a good old like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.